What's up? Welcome to our channel. I'm Karla and this is Aria Arista. Okay. And today we're going to be making a Fruit Loop Rice Krispie treat. Yeah. Let's get started. High five.
Okay.
Aria has been wanting to bake for some time since she started learning how to make cupcakes and cakes. And today I want to do something a little bit different. We're going to be making Rice Krispy Fruit Loop treats. I've never made them before. It seems pretty easy. It's only like 4 ingredients. So let's jump right into it. We're going to be making Fruit Loop and Rice Krispy treats. Yeah, kind of like that. You know the ones that you see in the back of the box? Not in this box, but this box. Aria has been excited because she's been learning to make cupcakes and cakes, and she wants to, well, she doesn't tell me, but I want to show her how to make more things that are kid-friendly, obviously, and don't need a lot of ingredients because kids are very impatient. And I decided we're going to make these treats together. So this is what we're going to need. We're going to need 3 cups of Fruit Loops, 3 cups of Rice Krispies, a bag of marshmallows. You could use the whole bag of the big size, and then 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so remember I said we need 3 cups of each. Yeah. So I'll fill this one. Here, I'll fill the little one, and then you can fill the big one. Yeah.
Oh, for me.
3 cups Rice Krispies. Okay.
Okay.
So now I do this one. Now 2 cups. How many was that? 2? 2. For our next step is to melt the marshmallows and the butter. You could do it in a saucepan, they say, for a few minutes, or you could put it on the microwave for 3 minutes and stir after 2 minutes. Because I want to do this with Aria and I want her to kind of be involved in the process and not be tempted to touch the saucepan, I'm gonna do the microwave version just so she could help me put it in the microwave and stir as well. Pour them in here. Yeah, that's gonna take a really long time. Whoa. Hey. Happy monkey. Happy monkey. Can I play that again? You good? Okay. Put the butter. Yes. High five. Okay, now put in the microwave. We don't need. You got it? Put it in the microwave. Okay, close it. Close it. Okay, now put 3. 3. Good job. Now we wait. You're counting? Well, we're gonna stand away from a microwave.
Wow.
Oops. So it's been. Oh, it blew up. Are you excited? Okay, it's coming down. Just give it a quick mix.
Okay.
Mix it. You know how to mix. 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 Keep going. Yeah, good stuff. Yeah. keep mixing it. We're putting it back for another minute. But just keep watching it because it blew up on us, didn't it? This time it's a lot more melted than it was before. Yeah, there we go. That consistency is a lot better. You could punch it. Okay. Whoa. Too excited, girl.
Uh-oh.
Here. Mix it. OMG. It is definitely getting stuck together even more, which is really good. So now that we've mixed it really good, you can start to see it's getting stuck. Wow. So now we're just gonna put it on the pan. Okay, it says we have to spread them out. Aria, and spread it out. Yeah. Okay. All right. So now we're going to. Ooh, and now we press them. So we just let it cool for like 2 minutes and then we'll cut them into little squares. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's been about 2 minutes and they're pretty cold and now we're going to cut them. She knows how to use this thing. Okay, so now we're going to remove this one wrap. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think Aria enjoyed herself. This is the final product. I think as far as review, it tastes really good. It was fairly easy to make. My only thing was the cooling period. I think I definitely should have waited a lot longer than 2 minutes as what it said, because it was still sticky and it started to lose its shape once you started cutting and taking it out. So definitely next time I would leave it cooling and probably even refrigerate it, see if that works. This is great for a party, quick activity with your toddlers who like to be in the kitchen with you. I definitely recommend the recipe. I will link the recipe that I got from the Kellogg's website as well in the description. Like, comment if you like the video. Definitely hit that subscribe button so we can continue to give you more content. One recipe at a time, one DIY at a time. Until next time, bye. Say bye, Aria. Bye. Till next time. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mwah. High five. Shh.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay, girl.